it called?
You said you about to draw a coral.
But what's it called? Like
What's going on, guys? It's LexiVee03. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm here with
Life with J. Yo, what's funny, man?
What's going on, guys? It's LexiVee03. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with
Life with J.
and we are going to be doing a gingerbread making competition. So we're making gingerbread houses and we're gonna have a little competition with it, have some fun, see who can make the better gingerbread house. Alright, so we both have the same kits. We picked them up from Michael's and they were actually only $6. So I'm kind of curious if this is a decent kit. Like, will it make a decent gingerbread house or is it crap? So we'll find that out together. Let's go ahead and open our boxes up and see what we're working with. They're literally so hard to make. I think the hardest part about making the gingerbread houses is putting the house itself together, because it like never stays. It's just always gonna keep falling apart. So this is what this is what our kits came with. They came with the gingerbread like cookie itself. We got 3 candies to decorate with. Open up your cookie. Well, you can go whatever order you want, but my strategy is to open up the cookies.
You said this is a challenge.
Yeah, we're seeing who can make the best gingerbread house.
Oh, just the best?
Yeah, like make it look the best. Cause it's not easy. You would think, oh, it's nothing. It's just making a gingerbread house, but it's not easy.
What's the back door? What's the front door? What is this? What is this?
The roof. Okay, let's get this icing open. Hey, open. Hey, open the icing. You know what's smart? To actually just cut the icing and make it its own pipe pit, baby. Let's get it started.
I need some water.
Dude.
I'm thirsty.
Dude, this gingerbread house sucks. I'm not gonna lie. I've worked with better gingerbread houses than this in my time. It's really not easy making a gingerbread house.
Wait, let me see.
And I'm so smart for cutting it like this.
I just realized this might be hard.
Exactly, it is hard. Look.
I don't think we're gonna have enough icing.
Oh, what the heck? What am I doing? Oh my gosh, I'm so slow. Literally. That's too much.
Huh?
Where's my wall?
That's good.
Oh, good job.
Oh! Dang, I put it on the bottom on accident.
I did it too though. I did the same thing. Like, you looking here, there's icing in the house. I didn't say to look, I was just saying if you look. All right, my house is actually turning into a house. Get it, girl. How do you do the roof?
You gotta have it slanted.
But there's a chimney in the way.
That's the back.
That doesn't matter. Why is there a chimney right there? You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Y'all look, so I'm trying to put the roof on, right? But there's a chimney right here.
Oh, this cheated. The chimney is like right there, but...
Right, but look where the chimney is. My question is, how did the roof work if the chimney's in the way? Why would they do that? Now I gotta bite it off. I have to bite it off.
No, you don't.
My roof isn't gonna go on there
That's
unless
cheating. No, that's cheating.
That's not cheating. Look, it's gonna go on that side, but the chimney's in the way, so I'm biting mine off.
It's obviously there for a reason.
Bruh, how was that cheating?
Bro, you cheat on everything.
Explain to me how that's cheating.
It's there for a reason. Oh, look.
I'm using my resources.
Oh, the menu on the back.
The menu?
I mean the step.
That's cheating. Stop!
Go get my box.
No! Can you let me bite my chimney? So I'm gonna get a little creative, y'all, because the chimney gotta go. There's no way the roof is going on if the chimney's there.
Damn, bro, you messed mine up.
I did not. But I want to save the chimney. I don't want to just, throw the whole chimney away. Dude, you get on nerves.
Alright, so look.
Oh, that
we can cut the chimney off for now and then like put it on after. We can put it on after.
That's really what I was just trying to do this whole time, and you over here, that's cheating. That's not even cheating. I broke my chimney! Bro, break your chimney.
No.
It's gotta be even,
no.
else you cheating. Alright, we took the chimneys off so that the roofs could go on. Hopefully that made a difference. I just think it's dumb that they would put the chimney on there like that. Alright, so far, this is what my house is looking like. I don't want to move it around too much because these gingerbread houses are just not stable, so. Alright, I think I'm almost good to start decorating mine.
It's messed up.
Show them that wall.
It's messed up on this side.
Just take this off and then like move it back. Work smarter, not harder. All right, I think I'm good to start decorating actually. I'm not really sure what decorations I'm going for.
I gotta put my chimney on. Oh, I'm tripping.
Did you do that upside down?
Yeah.
Ew.
Alright.
Anyways, I'm gonna start decorating. They gave us some gumdrops, which is like an essential. I don't want to make gingerbread men though, not a gingerbread house.
I think I'm gonna only use the green.
Alright, I'm about to start decorating mine, y'all. It's actually pretty good. If it can withstand this.
Chill. You what?
No, I'm not. Mine can withstand it. Exactly. Trying to mess mine up.
Chill. Bro, like.
You did mine. I did. I'm getting started decorating while he rebuilds his house because he wanted to play and trying to mess mine up. But when he saw mine was actually good and I did it back to him, he was hurt. Alright, so this is what I got so far, y'all. Yeah.
But Lexi, I think you did the gingerbread house before.
I have. I said that already. It's on my YouTube channel.
Alright, but you sure you only did it once?
You told me you done it before. Yeah, I only done it once. I'm mad because my gingerbread house was good. I'm going for a very classy look, so I want mine to be just a classy gingerbread house, you know?
Alright, I'm gonna only use the green gum. My favorite color green.
Alright, go for it. Buddy. Lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, lolly, lolly. Why are you being rude?
No.
Clearly.
Oh, there you go.
So now you gotta throw them at there so they stick. You know? Alright, let's see. How can we make this creative looking? You know. I'm gonna put my name on it. 3. That way everybody knows this is my house. Get going, you know? What are you doing?
Exactly.
It's almost time for the big reveal. Alright, y'all. So this is what it's looking like on this side. I got my signature LVO3. It might not look like LVO3, but that's alright. Picking all of them up.
It's not sticking like this.
I need something creative to do to the back side.
Alright, so look.
Yeah, that's not too much.
On this side, I got these candies. I forgot what they called. I got these, but red and green for Christmas. And a pattern. And then I have, I guess these are the nerds. And I got those scattered. I tried to get these to stick, but they're not sticking. I'm bad.
Nah,
we can get another bag, bro.
Okay, we can split it.
No.
We can split it. No, I'm saying we can split them. Why are you doing that? Can you quit?
Stop.
Now you're cheating because you had the extra pack go.
Can I get a purple?
Yeah, you can have the purple. Bro, okay, chill. No!
Huh?
No!
What you mean?
I literally need just like a couple more drinks and you being stingy.
Bro, you messed up my stuff.
No, I didn't.
Cheated.
Oh! My house!
That's what you get, bro.
What just happened? Why are you laughing?
Guys, you shouldn't have been cheating and that would never happen.
Dude, that's what the... How did that even happen?
I'm gonna work on my roof later, y'all. I'm trying to decorate the front now. I'm gonna draw coral reef. I mean, no. What's it called? No, what's it called?
You said you about to draw a coral reef.
But what's it called? Like,
You about to draw a coral reef?
Man, Lexi, what is it called?
A reef.
What's it called?
A reef.
Oh yeah, a reef. I finna draw a reef.
Not the coral reef.
Man, Lexi, okay, dang.
Oh. Yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw my coral reef. Christmas time is here. The coral reef, bro, that's so funny. You made that up the joke?
Yeah, it was a joke.
Did you sabotage my house to make it fall down?
No.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Alright, I'm almost done my house. Just a few things I need.
Bro, Lexi, chill.
Just that one.
Cause when I start taking stuff off your house, you gonna be mad.
You do it sloppily. I'm being nice. See,
No,
I'm
you're
gonna
not.
replace it. I'm gonna replace it. And to be quite honest.
Yeah, and this look like.
Don't touch.
I tried to make mine like creative, but it was difficult with Lexi. So on this side I did green only, gumdrop. Then I have a chimney.
My favorite color is green.
Then I have a chimney.
Sorry.
I have a wreath with yellow and purple.
A what?
A wreath, and I use green gumdrop.
Why are you selling for the birds? So let's get into my gingerbread house over here. He fell apart once, and he looks like he's gonna fall apart. Look at that. You can see right in there. But this is the first one. I got some nice gumdrops going. I don't really know. I was just getting creative, and then I wrote slime on there and put green. I will say, I borrowed some of his green. I'm gonna give him back. Stole. And that's it. So I guess I left it pretty plain. On this side of the roof, I did my kind
Extra
of
large.
What?
It's XL, not L.
No, it's actually supposed to be like a cursive LV03, and then I wrote some like squigglies and yeah. Oops. All right, the gingerbread houses are done. Who won the challenge? That's for you to decide. But now we must race to the finish and see who can eat it the fastest. Are you ready? Scared.
Okay, tell me how to do it.
I'm just saying,
All right,
just smile. All right, guys, so that is all for this video. These gingerbread houses did not last very long. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know. It fell. The one you wanted fell here. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Hit the post notification bell. Hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Anything you want to add?
It was fun.
Never mind. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow.